Hello, and welcome to our President's Update for July 20th through August 10th, 2019. Just kidding. I'm Lana Snyder, and Cassie Rickenberg and I were given the opportunity to serve as guest co-hosts for this President's Update on Dr. Thompson's behalf. We'd like to give a great big shout out to several Northwest State teams who hosted a variety of summer camps. There were many future Northwest State students on campus through a whole suite of offerings the past few weeks, including the LEGO EV3 robot camps, Discovering and Exploring STEM camps, and the Apollo Next Giant Leap Student Challenge Summer Camp. Several of the camps involved tours of area manufacturing facilities, including Spangler Candy Company and Sauter Woodworking, to name a couple. Thank you to all of our teams for carrying out our mission or for building our future enrollments. We'd also like to give a shout out to the Toledo Electrical Joint Apprenticeship Training Committee graduation on July 12th. 45 graduates earned their journeyman's card that evening, and Dr. Thompson congratulated them. The graduates earned over 30 credit hours each and some cool academic swag. They were awarded Northwest State First Course free certificates to incentivize their degree completion with us. Cassie and I would now like to turn your attention to our Bachelor's Bound initiative. We're thrilled to share our Bachelor's Bound initiative with you, and we're going to start with our why. So why Bachelor's Bound? As your community's college, we constantly seek new and better ways to fulfill our mission and achieve our vision. As always, we start with our mission first, and as a quick reminder, we serve our communities by providing access to excellent and affordable education, training, and services that will improve the lives of individuals and strengthen communities. Not only that, our vision is to be our community's first choice institution. Cassie and I believe that Bachelor's Bound moves us closer to our vision and mission. We're certain that each of you believes that educational attainment is a powerful way to achieve a higher quality of life. You chose to work in higher education because of that belief. We also know that far too often families are burdened with an unmanageable debt load because of the traditional pathway to a bachelor's. Residential colleges and universities compete on amenities that drive the cost of attendance up, and on-campus housing is expensive. Northwest State's Bachelor's Bound initiative provides financial access to a more affordable education. Room and board is completely eliminated from the equation, and our tuition is a fraction of university tuition. We have outstanding faculty, high-quality courses, and an ongoing commitment to low-cost instructional materials. Now, I'd like you to think about the difference between these two numbers for just a moment. $39,000 versus $10,000. That is the average public university tuition and room and board compared to Northwest State's tuition for a single year. Now, think about this number. The United States student loan debt is $1.5 trillion across 44 million borrowers. That's according to a February 2019 Forbes article. This is a major social issue. Northwest State is doing something about this through Bachelor's Bound. It's possible for students to earn their bachelor's degree without accumulating massive debt and without sacrificing academic quality. We also put advanced degrees within reach by keeping student costs and student debt levels down. Now I'm going to turn it over to Cassie, who will discuss the student-centered approach that drives Bachelor's Bound.
Bachelor's Bound is a way for Northwest State to meet our community's educational needs, and you are an important part of this work. We have 3 problems that we are addressing: lack of awareness about our transfer options, anxiety about the high-stakes nature of college, and confusion about transfer language. We are reframing transfer into a broader concept that includes all of the transfer options as illustrated in this slide. Degree-based transfer options include new guaranteed transfer pathways in multiple disciplines, while the transfer module and articulation agreements are already in place. Our student-centered approach in admissions and the Advising Center will serve potential students and families well. The term student-centered refers to a student support strategy that puts the student's needs first. The Bachelor's Bound pathway does not require the student to have all of the answers. They simply need to know that they want to begin at Northwest State and transfer to another college. The student begins by selecting the Bachelor's Bound pathway on the application. From here, they will meet with their advisor to develop a transfer plan and select the major that best meets their needs. And finally, we are excited to present the new look for Bachelor's Bound, designed by one of our own graduates, Ariel Young. You may begin to see this logo on campus for program and promotional materials. Remember, our overarching goals are to serve our communities and improve our transfer rate. We can help students on their pathway to a bachelor's degree through this initiative. We are bringing Bachelor's Bound to Rotaries near you. Please let us know where you think we need to share this message in our communities, on or off campus. Now we'll turn our attention to upcoming events. We will have 2 walk-in advising days in August, with academic and faculty advisors available to assist students. Please send students to the Advising Center. The admissions team and Mike Jacobs have started planning the new student picnic. Please join us in welcoming new students on August 14th from 5 to 7 in the atrium. Students will have the opportunity to tour campus, visit the bookstore, and meet faculty, staff, and other students. Then for employees, on August 15th, we will have our annual employee picnic. The Board of Trustees meeting will be on August 23rd from 11:30 to 2 in C200. And we are also excited to announce that the Black Swamp Alzheimer's Walk will be on campus August 24th. There are 33 teams signed up so far. Please join Northwest State's team by visiting act.alz.org. We are excited to continue the conversation on Bachelor's Bound, and please remember to contact Lana and I with questions or ideas. One last note, classes start August 22nd. Please remind students to register for classes. The C-Wing is ready for the hectic month of August. Well, that's all I've got. Dr. Thompson will be back for your next President's Update.